I got tired. That's a little bit too quiet. There you go. Alright, now we're good.
And remember, these drivers, there's no practice this weekend. There's 11 drivers in the field who've never raced here before.
They're in for it right now. We're about to find out. Yes. I can't wait to see this race go green.
Connor Mozak,
Duly just wait 10 seconds.
starting on pole for the first time in his career. Grant Enfield.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! And Tony!
Row number 2, green flag is in the air. We're racing at Atlanta.
I want Kyle Busch to win. Where even is he?
Smooth start. Connor Mozak, great start.
Oh, there he is. I see him on the bottom.
The outside line slipped back just a bit. Grant Enfield back to third.
And that's what we kind of heard from Connor Mozak. He wanted to get his teammate clear and then move up on the back straightaway in front of with his teammate as help to control the race. It looks like they're in a good spot to try to control it for a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be really interesting, like we were talking just a minute ago, Joey. With the track being so cool, will the bottom lane be stronger than the top lane? These first few laps, is a chance
Probably.
for these truck drivers to really get a feel for that.
Well, that top lane really rolled down the front straightaway. Almost got to the outside of Connor Mozak. Maybe actually got there for a minute. But losing that track distance in the center of the corner. And,
I think I saw something flying in the back, but I don't know.
Corners for sure.
Maybe it's been the lighting. I'm not sure.
All 4 of them qualified in the top 10. Now you see teammates all around each other. Mozak, Wood in the 91. Got Daniel Hemrick in the 19. All working together up front here.
See Kyle Busch down there on the bottom. He's able to roll through the corner there good, but as you see, there's single file in front of him, behind him. He's going to be in trouble down this back straightaway.
Oh yeah, that beggar goes.
Down the straightaway, looking for a hole to get up in the draft.
That's a big one like that. He's
probably good enough size here.
Perfect example of the draft that is. You know, Joey, you saw Kyle Busch go through the corner way faster than other trucks. When he lost that draft down the straightaway, 3-4 trucks past him. He's got to fall back in line.
And this is a lot different. If you guys watched last week at Daytona, you saw 2-3 wide and stuff like that. Here, you got to be methodical about when you make the passes, right? If you go down,
Friesen's cooked.
Like Kyle did, right? You go down to the bottom trying to make a pass. If you can't clear that,
He's gonna fall outside the top 15.
Look how long that line is. And when they're single file, you're going to go to the very back of that.
Riding on board with Chandler Smith, the one truck that did have to start in the back, had some issues yesterday. Couldn't get the window net up. They got that secured and then had a problem with the starter, had to swap that out. But they didn't qualify very well to start with, so hoping to make hay here as we'll stay on board. He's passing trucks left
Not
and
really.
right. Chandler Smith on the move.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a newer team. You know, we've seen the front row truck team run really well last year with Lane Riggs, and they decided to go full-time with 2 trucks this year, so I'm sure they're working out some of those bugs. But Chandler Smith's a great race car driver, and that team has shown a lot of promise, so I'm pretty confident we'll get back to the front game.
You see Daniel Hemrick running 4th there in the pylon. A little bit of history with you in the Truck Series. Daniel Hemrick back in the day, a little throwback here.
Yeah, Daniel back to full-time in the Truck Series, Xfinity Series champion, ran the Cup Series last year. He's going to be one of the threats in my mind to compete for the championship this year.
Pretty interesting watching the beginning of this race so far. You see a lot of trucks, they singled out. I think some of us are getting an idea of what their truck can and can't do, but when they single out like that, that's when you got to think about the risk that you're taking before you make a pass. I was talking earlier, right? You look at these guys right here. If you're towards the back of that pack, you think, oh, sure, I'll make a move. What do I got to lose? I may lose 1 or 2 spots to try to gain a bunch. But if you're up there in 4th, 5th, and you make a move and you don't get a hole back in, you're going all the way back to 20th right now.
Go with you for sure.
Big